people, welcome back to my channel. This is still your one and only Zika Sub.
Thank you so much to my existing subscribers, and if you have not subscribed, kindly do so as we go ahead with
Today I'll be showing us how to make a beautiful bag or a beautiful pencil pack or scissors holder with these pieces. Do not throw away any of your fabric at all, as it will be useful for something. First of all, I'll be joining this. I'll have to iron it out. After ironing, I'll be joining them together to make a single piece. So I'll go ahead and do that on my machine. Then I will show you what I have done step by step. We'll go ahead, just sit back and watch. Hello, I am right on my machine. Just watch what I do, as I'll be joining all of them to form a piece. Wow, after joining, here is what we'll have. So this is the rough work. I'll go ahead and open these places, all these joining areas, and give it a good press. I'm going to use my pressing iron and then iron it, open it very well and iron it very well, so that the stitches or the joining will not be noticeable. After that, after opening this place, I will show you the next step as we move on. Yeah, I'm done with the ironing. So right now, I'll be taking my measurement from here. Depending on how big you want your bag to be, and depending on how your fabric turns out after the joining. So I'll be taking 7 inches off here. Then here, I'll be making it 10 inches. Then the width, let's take it at 10 too. So I'm going to be connecting this one. This is known as wadding. So I'll be cutting.
it will help the bag to be firm, and it will help it to stand very well.
That is the work of this. So I'll be cutting out the one I need for it. I'll just place it on it and cut out the desired one I need. Yeah, I have it. I'll use my iron and stick it. To the bag that I have. So I'll do that in my iron. So this is what we have. After ironing, I found out that the width is so big for what I wanted, so I had to reduce it. So what we have now here is 7.5 by my normal 7, and then this other place. So I just had to reduce it. Then what will be going on next to cut is the inner. What we'll be using to make the inner. So I'll be using my lining. What I just need to do is to put this on fold, then place my material on top, and I'll cut out exactly the same thing. We are done with our cutout, so I'm going to move to the machine to finish up the work now. So let's go to the machine. So I'll be joining this like this. So here I'll mark 1.5.
by 1.5. The same thing here, 1.5 inches by 1.5. Then I'll cut it out. I'll go ahead and join the down part. I'll open it up like this and I will stitch. I'll do the same thing to the other side. So I'll turn it inside out. So here, this is what I have. This is what I have. I'll go ahead and do the same thing to this. So this is what I have too. Then I'll place it inside this. So this is going to serve as the handle, the holder. So I'm going to stitch it down here. Then you watch me as I fix this one inside. So I'm going to here to here. I'm going to make sure I open up this place and then open up this place. And then I will stitch. I'll hold them together. I'm going to stitch it right round.
After I finish stitching the mouth, I'm going to go ahead and use the blue bias and stitch the mouth right round to make it look very neat and perfect. Give it a good look. As you can see, our bag is ready and looking very beautiful. I've gone ahead to put my scissors into it and every other thing I need. Please, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Kindly give me a thumbs up if you do. And if you have not subscribed to my page, please go ahead and subscribe to my page. Remember to put on your notification bell to always get notification whenever we post a video. See you in my next video and thank you for watching. Bye.